Hello, Matt Nelson, Interactive Media Director for First Tracks Marketing Group here to give you a quick 5-minute overview tour of the Weeks Medical Center uh, Joomla website. We've built them a myriad of flexible ways for them to interact with their content and information. They can manipulate the slider, they can build their own menus, they can change and add tabs on the home page. Events and news is fed dynamically from the database. They've embedded a Picasa photo slideshow here. Lots of great ways, quick ways for them to easily change up the information and highlights about what's going on at the hospital itself to keep people coming back looking for new, fresh information on a regular basis. Overall, in terms of what the hospital is all about, there were two main areas that we needed to address. One was the medical services, and one was the professionals who provide the services. So if you're looking for a medical professional, we've built in a dynamic search that allows you to search by any number of these. So if I'm looking for a male doctor who does cardiology, there's 3 possible solutions. And then I can view the doctor's photo, what his background is, and then also an auto link is supplied back to the services that they provide at the institution. So I can quickly click there and go right to cardiology and learn more about the team and the services that they offer, see if there's any new news posted about cardiology, see if there's any events coming up that are related to cardiology. So we've created a very tight-knit, integrated data structure that allows people to quickly kind of, put the pieces together depending on how they're browsing for their needs within the site. So conversely, if I said, I'm really looking for primary care services for my family, I can come in and read a little bit about primary care, get some contact information, and then see all the doctors that provide primary care services at the hospital. And if I find one that I want to learn a bit more about, I can click on their name and quickly get some more information about them, how to get in touch with them, quickly flip back to primary care if I wasn't done there. So it's quite efficient in how it gets you from place to place. One of the other key integrations that we did in terms of data was to provide them a quick, easy way to publish news that's going on at the hospital, and it's all organized by date. They can put anything they like into the news articles themselves, and they also come complete with social sharing tools, adding images, adding links, to doctors, other places in the website, all point and click using the Joomla backend interface, which we'll take a look at in a second. And we also have a full events calendar, which highlights things that are going on at the hospital, and especially with the holiday season coming up, there'll be some things coming up. Santa comes to Weeks, that kind of stuff. So again, very, very quick and easy to add these into the layout of the pages, and can be shared dynamically using social media. So let's just take a quick look at the back end. This is your control panel in Joomla. Let's just say I'm an admin and I want to edit a doctor. We've built a custom component for doctors and locations, because even, not only do the doctors belong to the system in terms of what services they offer, but they all have locations associated with them. So I will come in here and there's a whole alphabetized list of all the doctors that are currently in the system. I simply click on one to bring up their profile, and again, it's real simple form-based editing control to say, just follow the steps of what's available here and fill in the gaps of all the information that you currently have, choose a service that they belong to, and choose a location that they serve. If I needed to add a new location, I can always manage the locations, add as many as I like, check as many as I like per person. The flexibility and possibilities are endless. And we have the same type of thing for their events and their news and their services. So it's a pretty robust system, and it's been serving them very, very well since we launched it about a year ago. So I hope you found this interesting and you enjoyed my overview of the site. And if you want more information, give us a call. Thanks.